IELTS Speaking Part 1 Food and Cooking. سلام به همه، به درس امروز خوش اومدید. تو این درس میخوایم سوالات پارت 1 اسپیکینگ آیلتس رو با هم بررسی کنیم. ویدیو رو پاس کن، سوالات رو به ترتیب بخون و سعی کن بهشون جواب بدی. بعد اینکه جواب دادی، ویدیو رو پلی کن و نمونه پاسخهای منو ببین. جواباتو با جوابای من مقایسه کن و سعی کن ازشون ایده بگیری. پاسخت رو اصلاح کن و تمرینش کن. بعد اینکه تمرینش کردی، متنت رو بذار کنار و سعی کن هرچی یادت میاد رو بیان کنی. اگه بتونی صداتو ضبط کنی هم که عالی میشه. Okay, let's get started. What sorts of food do you like eating most? Why? I prefer eating a whole food diet because it's healthier and more natural. I focus on unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. For example, I love making salads with fresh greens, quinoa, and grilled chicken. I find that this way of eating gives me more energy and helps me feel better overall. Plus, it's a great way to support local farmers by buying fresh seasonal produce. Who normally does the cooking in your home? Why or why not? I'm the one who usually cooks in my home because I enjoy it and like to have control over what I eat. Cooking allows me to experiment with different ingredients and create healthy, balanced meals. For instance, I often try new recipes from cooking blogs or YouTube channels. It's also a relaxing activity for me after a long day. And I love sharing the meals I prepare with my family or friends. Do you watch cooking shows on TV? Why or why not? Yes, I do watch cooking shows from time to time. I find them really entertaining and inspiring, especially shows like MasterChef or Selena Plus Chef. They not only teach me new recipes, but also give me tips on how to improve my cooking skills. In general, do you prefer eating out or eating at home? Why? Why not? I generally prefer eating at home because it's healthier and more cost-effective. Since I'm the one who cooks, I can control the ingredients and portion sizes, which is important to me. That said, I do enjoy eating out occasionally, especially when I want to celebrate a special occasion. ممنون که تا انتها همراه هم بودی. اگه نظر یا پیشنهادی داری برام تو کامنت ها بنویس. تو درس بعدی میبینمت. بای!